Welcome back to Inside Factory Produce. Today, we are exploring a material that defines the modern world, yet is designed to be completely invisible. We are talking about glass, not just any glass, but the high-strength, jumbo-sized tempered glass that wraps around skyscrapers and provides the literal floor for sky-high observation decks. Our journey begins at the very source, the white quartz sand dunes. Look at these shimmering grains. This silica, when combined with limestone and soda ash, forms the foundation of human transparency. We are witnessing an ancient alchemy reborn with 21st century technology. In this factory, we don't just melt sand, we engineer the very way we see the world. Step inside the furnace hall. The heat here is palpable. A staggering 1600 degrees Celsius. This is where the raw minerals lose their solid form and surrender to the flame. Turning into a glowing, honey-like lava, this molten mixture is the beginning of everything. Watch as the gas burners roar with white-hot intensity. A constant, controlled inferno that never sleeps. For a mega glass factory, the furnace is the heart. If it stops, the entire operation dies. The liquid glass flows out like a river of liquid light, radiating thermal waves that you can feel even from a distance. It is a terrifying yet beautiful sight. We are watching the transition from the opaque to the transparent, a process that blends the raw power of a volcano with the precision of a laboratory. Before this liquid can become a window, it must first learn to flow. Today, we witness the art of invisible strength. The transformation of raw earth into crystal clear structural panels is a feat of engineering that defies imagination. This is the float process, a revolutionary technique that allows us to create glass plates with zero distortion. The molten glass flows out of the furnace and is poured under a shallow bath of liquid tin. White tin, because glass is lighter than tin, it floats perfectly on the surface, just like oil on water. This creates a surface that is naturally, mathematically flat. There are no rollers touching the glass yet, nothing to scratch its delicate surface. It is a mirror-like interface between two liquids, one a glowing orange, the other a metallic silver. This is where the glass gains its fire-polished finish, a smoothness that no machine could ever replicate by sanding alone. As the glass ribbon moves down the tin bed, top rolls, giant toothed wheels, grip the edges. These wheels control the speed and tension, determining exactly how thick the final glass will be, down to the last micron. We see the glass gradually losing its fiery glow, turning from a liquid honey into a solid, transparent ribbon that stretches for hundreds of meters. A drone flying through this hall reveals the sheer scale, a continuous, endless river of glass that never stops. Every centimeter is scanned by high-frequency lasers and optical sensors. They are looking for stones, seeds, or tiny air bubbles, the microscopic enemies of clarity. If a flaw is detected, the computer maps its exact coordinates. At the end of the line, the automated cutting heads descend. With the precision of a diamond-tipped wheel, they score the glass, and in a single, satisfying snap, a massive 6-meter plate is born. Robotic vacuum arms then lift these plates into the air. They are so clear that the robots appear to be lifting nothing but thin air. This is the moment where the liquid fire finally becomes the structural glass we recognize. Ready for its next trial. Standard glass is beautiful, but it is fragile. To become part of a skyscraper, it must undergo a trial by fire. This is the tempering process. Before the glass enters the furnace again, it must be perfectly prepared. We see the edge grinding station, where diamond wheels smooth out the sharp, raw edges under a constant mist of cooling water. Every corner is rounded, every edge polished until it glows with an emerald hue. After a deep ultrasonic cleaning to remove every speck of dust, the plate enters the tempering furnace. Here, it is heated back up to nearly 700 degrees Celsius, becoming slightly soft and pliable once again. It glows with a ghostly orange light as it rolls across ceramic rollers. Then comes the quench. This is the most critical second in the entire factory. As the hot glass exits the furnace, it is blasted simultaneously from both sides by thousands of high-pressure cold air nozzles. This rapid cooling causes the surface to shrink and solidify instantly. While the interior remains hot, it takes longer to cool. This creates a permanent state of internal tension, a compressed skin that makes the glass 5 times stronger than it was before. It is now safety glass. If it breaks, it won't shatter into lethal shards. Instead, it will explode into thousands of tiny, harmless pebbles. We see the destructive test in slow motion. A heavy steel ball impacts the surface, and the glass crumbles into a pile of dull crystals. It is a beautiful, safe destruction. A technician uses a polariscope to view the rainbow stress fringes. The invisible signature of strength locked deep within the glass. Every plate must meet rigorous safety standards before it is allowed to leave the factory floor. The structural integrity is non-negotiable when human lives are supported by these transparent panels. The scale of the glass being produced here is truly jumbo. We are seeing plates as tall as 9 meters, designed to be the curtain walls of the world's most iconic towers. These plates are so large and heavy that they require specialized heavy-duty robots to stack them into wooden crates for global shipping. Watch as these crates are loaded onto flatbed trucks and hoisted to the 50th floor of a rising skyscraper. The glass is now a mirror for the city, reflecting the clouds and the skyline with high-definition clarity. From the outside, the building appears almost invisible, a shimmering ghost in the urban landscape. But the applications go beyond just windows. We see tempered glass used in high-altitude sky bridges. Look down through the floor. You're standing on nothing but a few centimeters of glass. 300 meters above the ground. Your safety depends entirely on the compression we just witnessed in the factory. We even see tests for bulletproof glass, where multiple layers of tempered glass and specialized resins are laminated together to stop a high-velocity round. This is invisible strength in its most literal form. Whether it is a glass staircase reflecting light like a giant prism or a curved museum wall, the glass must be perfect. Even the low-E coatings are vital. They are microscopic layers of metal that reflect heat while letting in pure sunlight, making these giant glass buildings incredibly energy efficient. Modern architecture wouldn't be possible without these transparent giants. They bridge the gap between the indoors and the vast world outside, providing an infinity view that inspires millions of city dwellers every day. As we look toward the future, the mega glass factory is evolving. We are no longer just making windows, we are making smart glass. In the R&D lab, we see panels that can switch from transparent to opaque with a single electric pulse, providing instant privacy without curtains. We see self-cleaning glass, where nano coatings cause water droplets to roll off and take every speck of dirt with them, keeping skyscrapers sparkling with zero maintenance. Perhaps most exciting is the integration of solar technology. We see robots assembling solar glass panels, where the window itself becomes a transparent solar farm, generating electricity for the building it protects. Inside Factory Produce is proud to bring you this deep dive into the world of transparency. From the raw sand in the dunes to the shimmering curtain walls of a chalk Troy skyscraper, the story of glass is the story of human vision. Every plate that leaves this factory is a testament to the engineers who have mastered the balance between fire and air. We hope this journey has changed the way you look at the windows around you. They aren't just barriers, they are engineered masterpieces of invisible strength. This industrial revolution is clear. It is strong, and it is reshaping our horizons. Thank you for joining us as we explore the world's most fascinating and secret factories. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest breakthroughs in industrial technology. Your support allows us to continue documenting the miracles of modern manufacturing. Until next time, remember, the future is bright, it is clear, and it is made of glass. The transparent revolution has only just begun. Let the light shine through the strength we've built together.